What's up and welcome back, it's TFT's channel. Today I'm detailed comparison between iQOO Neo 855 versus Meizu 16T. We made a comparison between them, the main specifications like display, design, hardware, software and the camera features. Which one take the lead, Vivo or Meizu? What do you think guys? Let's watch the video. First overview these two devices side by side. First look, display. As far as the display is considered, iQOO Neo 855 come with a 6.38 inches Full HD plus resolution display. On other hand, Meizu 16T Adapt come with a 6.5 inches Full HD plus resolution display. Meizu 16T is a little bit bigger display. Also, two devices using the same Samsung Super AMOLED display which support the in-display fingerprint scanner. Meizu 16T is a notchless display. You watch any movies, it's a full screen experience is good. But iQOO Neo 855 is what a top-notch display. You cannot watch movies on full screen experience. I cannot know the reason, but the display is Meizu 16T is good. Handling feeling. The two devices' handling is really good, no one heavy and bulky. But the on-paper weight is Meizu 16T is 183 grams, iQOO Neo 855 is 198 grams. Is a 10 grams is a difference, but the handling is really good, no one heavy and bulky. Software. The two devices running on the Android 9, but the iQOO Neo is built in FunTouch OS, Meizu 16T built in Flyme OS. Some people does not like the Vivo mobile's reason this notification bar. FunTouch OS is a little bit different in other OSs, but I like the normal notification style. I didn't like this FunTouch OS. Personally, my opinions, but it's preference for your choice. Which one you like to select him. On the phone left side is the two devices same SIM card tray here, but the iQOO Neo one more extra buttons here. It's a Jovi key. You used to translate languages and Google Assistant. It's your choice. You select your opinion to you select. Its personal preference is Jovi key. You went to remap the camera applications or any other your opinion. You used to also Google Assistant. It's same as Bixby type. Anyways, phone right side is the power button and volume rocker case here. It's the same setup on the two devices. And little bit camera pump here on the phone. Let's look the camera. The two devices is the same triple camera setups here. And the main Vivo iQOO Neo it's a 12 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor. On other hand, Meizu 16T is a 12 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, but the 5 megapixel depth sensor. Depth sensor only difference for the two mobiles. I am show the camera and video samples and video end. Let's look the phone top side. In the top side is the 17 inch cancel mic here on the two phones. On the phone bottom side it's a Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and the speaker hills here. It's one more main thing. Its placement is same for the two devices, speaker and 3.5mm jack, and everything is the same in. Two devices is supported by the under display fingerprint scanner, but the Meizu 16T is little bit slowly unlocking, but the iQOO Neo 855 Plus is little bit faster. Anyways, the two devices support the under display fingerprint scanner. Faster is iQOO Neo 855 Plus. Hardware. iQOO Neo 855 and Meizu 16T is two devices same powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. It's not a normal processor, it's a flagship processor. OnePlus 7, Redmi K20 and all other phones using the same processor. This processor supports the gaming, it's a HDR contents. Yes guys, is maximum level settings support this processor. Also you play very smooth, it's no lag free gaming. It's really amazing. Coming up, I'm upload the new iQOO Neo 855 versus Meizu 16T, PUBG and Fortnite gaming review. Anyways, last 1 month I'm using the two devices is really good and masterpiece for the perform. But which one is take to the lead, Meizu or Vivo? I'm till the video end. Let's look the battery side. The iQOO Neo 855 backup is built in 4500 mAh battery. The battery support the 33 watts fast charging. Meizu 16T battery backup pulled by the 4500 mAh battery is the same. However, it support the 18 watts fast charging. It's a little bit downgrade. It's the battery side is the iQOO Neo it's leaded. Overall, two phones is really good and gaming performance is really amazing. What do you think guys? Which one take the lead, Vivo or Meizu? Do you think Vivo's iQOO Neo 855 picked with the good specifications more than Meizu 16T? Share your thoughts in comment section below. My opinion, Meizu 16T is much better than iQoo Neo 855.